Do you want to build robots?
Stay back, I will kill you.
This may surprise you, but you can actually get started along that path for a lot less money and time than you'd think. Hello virtual dreamers, Gregory here. It can be pretty easy to just sit back and watch the cool tech project YouTube videos popping up nowadays and think to yourself, I wish I could do that. But it's like probably super hard and you need to be like a super genius for it.
I built a machine that tases me.
So yeah, you're wrong. A lot of the skills, tools, and parts that are needed to make these kinds of things work are far more accessible now than they've ever been. And I want to show you what you need to do in order to get started. This is an Arduino, a microcontroller, and a Raspberry Pi, a microcomputer. Definitions aside, the things about both of them that matters to us here are that they let you control electronics, they have huge communities backing them, and most importantly, they're both pretty cheap in the best way. Like, you can pick up both of them and some basic electronics components for less than a PS5 game type cheap. It's actually pretty great. So once you've got your gear, the next question becomes, how do you use it? Well, we could literally go all day if I tried to tell you every way you could, so I'll tell you what you probably should do to get learning instead. Follow tutorials and online guides. I know that sounds like a cop-out answer, but I figure I should tell you to start doing that now, since you're never gonna have to stop doing so at any point. So you might as well get comfortable with the process and start up by dipping your toes in the basic projects like making a light blink, a motor spin, and maybe a serial communication project if you're feeling adventurous. Learning in science and technology is a process of trying things and failing repeatedly with a purpose till you get to your desired outcome. It can be easy, I know, to get bored in these early stages, but I can only tell you to do your best to push through it by starting off with small projects and steadily expanding your horizons with each new development, and doing what you can to keep things interesting along the way. What may start off with just a simple blinking light could eventually turn into a taser robot, or an automatic laser pointer can one day bring you to having a robot dog that pees drinks. You'll never know where you end up if you never start, and if you followed along here so far, I hope you've got an idea of what you need to do now to get started. Okay, and this here is for the rest of you who need specific instructions, like instructions not clear, got butt stuck in the ceiling fan. I'll point you towards what I did in order to get the ball rolling. Buy an Arduino starter kit. Seriously, Amazon has knockoff versions from Asia that don't even cost like $50 and come with all the tutorials and components you could possibly want to get started. I'll link the ones from companies I myself have purchased from personally, as well as the official Arduino version in the description below. Buying the official one helps support the community, so that's a cool thing if you want to go for that. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Till next time, my fellow adventurers and dreamers, this has been Gregory, logging out.